Vanakkam. Hope you all enjoy my series of Learn to Crochet. From today, I'm going to show you granny squares. This is very easy. You make it in few minutes. Let's get started. For this project, I have used 4 crochet needle and acrylic yarn. To begin with, a magic ring. I have shown you several ways of magic ring. You can follow anyone. I am using this method. It's easy for me. Okay, insert it and make it a chain and remove it from your index finger. Now we will start our working. Here this chain is not considered as a stitch. Now I make one single crochet to secure that yarn and make 2 chains. Okay, these 2 chains is considered as one double crochet. Now the second double crochet and third double crochet. Okay, now see I have made remove 1, 2, 3 double crochet. You can make any amount of double crochets. Normally they make 3 double crochet or 2, even 4 also you can make it. Again I make 2 chains. If you are a beginner, you make 2 chains. If you're familiar with this stitch, you can make 1 chain. That is also is possible. 1 chain will look more nice. Again I made 3 double crochet on the same magic ring. See the movement of my hand on the holding the stitches, how I am holding my stitches. This is easier for you to make. Pull the yarn a little. Hope you are following with the yarn and make it another set of double crochet. See, I am holding on the magic ring yarn, then it won't come out. So after making 3 double crochet, hold your hand on the third double crochet and make chain. That is easy for you. This is the third set of double crochet. Now the fourth set, I am holding it on the first set of double crochet and make the fourth set of double crochet. See how the movement is moving nicely. Okay, 2 and 3. 3 double crochets completed. Now move your hand to the third double crochet and make 2 chains. See, now see 1, 2, 3, 4 set of chains, 2 chains. Now pull the yarn as much as you can. Make the hole very tight. Okay. Now see, I have made a 1 single crochet and 2 chains. I'm going to make it a slip stitch on the second chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That is 1 single crochet and 2 chains I made. On the second chain, I am making a slip knot. Okay, insert the yarn into the stitch and wrap it the yarn and pull through from that. Okay, first set of granny square is completed. Now I am going to secure this leftover yarn, pull the yarn and keep it aside. Now see the back side, you can see these stitches. I'm going to insert into this. Securing yarn video also is in my playlist. You can watch it. Okay. Now secure it nicely and cut the yarn off. Then you won't get any disturbance of this. Okay, now I am going to cut my yarn and remove the leftover yarn. See how it is? Now we are moving on to the working side. Now already we have made 1 slip stitch. Here on the second slip stitch on the first double crochet and third slip stitch on the second double crochet. Okay, see the slip stitch is going to go. And the fourth slip stitch on the chain space. Here we made 2 chains. There I am making a slip stitch. Sorry, a slip stitch. Here totally we have 4 slip stitch. Now again 1, 2. This is the second set. Now see, wrap the yarn and insert into the chain. When we are inserting into the chain, I am holding my hand on between the 2 double crochet. See, 2 sets of double crochet. That is easy. You won't get move the stitches. Right? Now made 3 double crochets. Again hold it on the 3rd double crochet and make 2 chains. Again now we are going to do the workings on the same chain space. So I am pulling the set of double crochet to get that gap. Again, I am making another set of double crochet on the same chain 2 space. Yeah, totally 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 3 double crochet. Mind that chain and make it a 3 double crochet nicely. Now see, done. 2 double crochet, set of 2 double crochet is done. Now I am making 2 chains and move on to the next chain space. I am skipping all 3 double crochet and move on to the next double crochet chain space. Okay, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Right? After finishing the 3rd double crochet, I am making 2 chains. Every 3rd double crochet, we are making chains. Okay, it can be either 2 or 1. That is depends on the workings that you are making. I am doing it for 2 chains. You can make it 1 chain as you wish. 1 and 2 chains. Now again, I am moving on to the 3rd chain space and continue the same. Now I am going to make a slip stitch on the 2nd chain. Okay, insert into the stitch and wrap the yarn, pull through both the yarns together. Now the 2nd set of granny square is completed. Now again the 3rd set of double crochet, we are making the slip stitch 4 times. Every time when you are moving to the next stitch, it's going to be 4 double slip stitch. 1 and 2 chains, make 1 double crochet. Here the 2 chains is considered as the double crochet. Here I have made 2 double crochet, so totally 3 double crochet. Chain 2 plus 2 double crochet. Here this is the corner. So I am going to make 2 chains and another set of 3 double crochet onto this space. Okay, now after the 3 double crochet, make 2 chains. Now see, there is a gap in between the corners. 2 chain space. So I am going to make a 3 double crochet, a set of double crochet on this chain space. 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Every 3rd double crochet we make 2 chains. See how it is? It's going to be like this. This is the 1st set, this is the 3rd set. Okay, in the 2nd set we have a gap. The corners, see, every corners you can see is nicely. Okay, now make 2 chains and move on to the corner. On the corner, see, when you hold it, see, we can see the corners nicely. So I am going to insert into the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. Okay, normally we do On the corners, 2 sets of double crochet. So here again 2 chains and make another set of double crochet. Here 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochet on the corner. Okay, third double crochet completed. Now make 2 chains and move on to the next chain space. See this chain space. Okay, here we can make a 3 double crochet, a set of double crochet here. Okay, continue this. The third set of granny square is going to complete with the slip knot. Okay, now see on the second chain I'm going to make a slip knot. This is the first slip knot to complete the third set. Now move on to the fourth set. We are going to start with the slip knot. 2, 3 and fourth the slip knot on the chain 2 space. Okay, see how it is. Okay, hope your workings also came out nicely like this. Show your pictures for me to see. See, we have 2 holes on the third set. So now we are going to do 2 chains and make another 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet on the corner side. Okay, now 2 chains and make another set of double crochet on the same chain 2 space as it is a corner. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Now again 2 chains and see there is a hole. First set of hole we are making hole or chain 2 space. You can make it as chain 2 spaces there. So I am making 3 sets of double crochet. Okay, again 2 chains. Every other 3 double crochet we make 2 chains. On the next chain 2 space make another set of double crochet. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Again chain 2 and now move on to the corner. Okay, this is the corner side. Now we are going to make another 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. The standard size of granny square is 5 inches by 5 inches. It can be varied, depends on our workings. Okay, the fourth set of the granny square, one side is completed. See how it is? Hope you follow the instructions nicely. Okay, this is the corner. This is the first set of double crochet. We made it earlier. This is the second set and you can see the first set there is a gap. We made the corners. On the second set we got 1 chain 2 space on the side. On the third set we got 2 chains 2 space on a side. On the fourth set we got 3 chain 2 space on a side. So this is the continuous of the workings. It is gradually increased by like this. Okay. Now see, I have completed my work. Cut the yarn and pull through from that without making any chains. Just pull through it. Normally they make. See? Now we will see how we are going to secure this leftover yarn. Okay, insert into the stitch like this and pull through. Okay, now again you can see the workings here, the double crochet workings there. I am going to insert into that working and pull through the yarn. Okay, now see the gap, you can get it into that also. Okay, now insert into those workings and pull through from there. Okay, finish. Now we can make it again one more set of securing. Yarn is the most important in making the crochet if it is. Okay, now cut the yarn and adjust your workings as it is. See, our working is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, see you on next video. Thank you. Nandri. Vanakkam.